Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first video of mine that you are seeing. My name is Brianna. So today I'm going to be doing my, what is this month? June? Yes. June Boxycharm unboxing, and this box has got to be one of my favorites so far. I mean, I always love the boxes, but it was just so good this month. So this month's card is a little bit different. Usually it's just on one card, but this one like unfolds and has all the prices and the details of all the items in your box. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you get 4 to 5 full-size products or some extra minis. And the box always retails for over $100, but you only pay $21 a month. So the box is super, super awesome. And you always get super good stuff in here. And it's really fun because you get to try different brands that normally you might not. Just because they come in the box. So they're always really awesome, really good quality. So we will go by the card, and I'm not doing a try-on style this time. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit because I always do the try-on style. So the first and most exciting to me in this box is the Alamar palette. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I know Kathleen Lights has done a video with it because I believe the owner's her friend. So it has 8 different shades in it and retails for $28. So it just opens up like a little book, and it is so, so, so pretty. So you have 4 mattes down here at the bottom, and then you have these 4 shimmers at the top. I am gonna swatch these for you guys, but before I do that, I wanted to show you guys this Kat Von D 10th anniversary palette, because the 4 matte shade in this Alamar palette are very similar to these matte shades here in the Kat Von D palette. So I noticed that when I opened it up. I will do comparison swatches if you guys want to see that. But of course this palette's like $40 something, maybe $50, I can't remember. And this one is $28. Let me go ahead and swatch these on my arm for you guys. Coco Taxi, Tropico. God, those are pigmented, holy crap. Guatemala. Oh my gosh. Guantanamera. I don't know. Okay. Not Hispanic, just black, okay? And then Capacito. I don't even know how I passed Spanish in the 10th or 11th grade. I don't even know. So those are the 4 shades. Again, Coco Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera, and Capacito. These are so pigmented, oh my gosh. Because I want to swatch the Kat Von D ones above this. God, those are ugly swatches though. Let me not try to do it in the viewfinder. Let me just swatch it on my own. You can see some slight differences as far as the shades, but as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, they look so similar. Yeah, they're definitely different. The closest one would be the brown. But the Kat Von D one doesn't swatch near as good as this Alamar palette. And I have used it on my eyes, and it applies totally differently on the eyes, but it doesn't swatch that great. So the Kat Von D ones are on the top, and the Alamar palette is on the bottom. And now let's swatch the shimmery shades. These are so pretty. This one is La Costa. This is El Malcian. This one is Verdero. This one is Celia. Man, how can you not pronounce these with an accent? I mean, come on. God, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh! Look at those. God, that's like the perfect summer palette. So La Costa, El Malcion, Verdero, and Celia. Ooh, I'm going out of focus. And Celia. Look at that blue. I mean, look at all of them, but oh my gosh, it's speaking to me. These are so pretty and so pigmented. Sorry, I'm trying to do better. I don't know why I just swatched those right there. So these are the shimmery shades right here, and they are stunning. Next in the box, we have some false lashes. These are the Baddington Monroe silk lashes. These are made out of 100% silk, and this also retails for $28. So the packaging is really cute. It opens up like this, and then the lashes are stacked instead of side by side like a normal pair of lashes, but they're really pretty, kind of like everyday lashes. It says you can get up to 25 applications if you take proper care of the silk lashes. So that's really awesome. Next, we have a little bitty tiny Brazilian bubblegum cream. If you guys watched my like sale haul video from a couple months ago, you already know that I love this stuff. This is just a really tiny bottle, but this moisturizer smells amazing. Now, it doesn't really moisturize my skin that well. Like, it's just one of those that I have to touch it later on the day, but it smells so good. And it has like a little bit of shimmer to it. You probably won't be able to see it just in this lighting, but you can see it like out in the sun, and it's really pretty to put all over. And this little container retails for $10. The big one is 40-ish, I believe. So it's a good way to like sample it out, see if you want to buy the full size, because it smells really good. But this is one of the minis that came in the box. And next we have some brushes from Luxie. This is the 3-piece Flawless Complexion set. So it came in this little like pouch right here to keep everything in. But then these are the 3 different brushes. You've got a tapered highlighting brush. This is the 522 brush. Then you have a duo fiber powder brush. It's really like light and whimsy, so you can just get like a nice overall powder application. That is the duo fiber powder, the 516 I mean, and then this is the 660 Precision Foundation. These 3 brushes retail for $42. And then next we have an eyeliner. This is a charcoal eyeliner from the brand Jaunt Blue. This retails for $5, so it's very affordable anyway, but you get it in this box. This is the shade Charcoal. So it is a charcoal eyeliner. Let me pop that into my waterline, because why not? Okay, so obviously now I know I'll never do a non-try video because I'm wanting to put on everything. And lastly in the box, we have this Ofra liquid lipstick. Ofra has a really, really good formula. These retail for $21, so the whole total of the box is one of these lipsticks, which is amazing. And this is the shade Verona, or Verona, however you want to say it. But it's a really pretty brown shade. Kind of reminds me of when MAC Whirl was like the most popular lipstick in the world because of Kylie Jenner, but it's just a really pretty shade. So that is everything that is in this box, you guys. Let's add this up really quickly because I did not beforehand. All right, so the retail value of this box was $106, so right over $100, but the box again was $21. So I highly, highly recommend the box, but this is actually the end of the video. So I don't think I'll ever not do a try-on video. It's not as fun to me, but unless you like seeing these kind of videos over a try-on, let me know. I really don't know who would like that, but just let me know what you guys think, because if you guys didn't watch my videos, there would be no point in me filming them. So, and I also filmed this tutorial, so I will try to link that in the description box once it is up. This will probably go up first. So,
Mom,
what, baby?
can you get the picture from this for Mimi to see?
A hot dog?
Yeah. It's done now.
Grayson, come say hey. Can you come over here? Scoot over, scoot over, scoot over. Scoot on your tippy toes, scoot on your tippy toes. Say hey. Hot dog. What is that? What is that?
A hot dog.
But what app is this?
Huh?
What app is this?
Berries.
Usita. Boy.
It's just berries, just berries.
He just woke up from a nap, so he sleeps face down. Hair goals. Berry. Oh, cool.
There.
Okay, say thank you guys for watching Mommy's channel.
Thank you for Mommy's watching channel and my hot dog.
And his hot dog. So yes, thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.